In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export transparent PNG in OpenArt. If you want a clean cutout of your subject that you can place over any background, a transparent PNG is exactly what you need. PNG supports transparency, while JPG does not, so by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a file that keeps the background invisible and your subject crisp. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Move your mouse over the image section to reveal the creative tools. A small menu appears as you hover. From there, choose Edit Image. This opens the editor where we'll prepare the cutout. Next, bring in the picture you want to work with. You can drag and drop your image right into the window or click to upload from your computer. Give it a moment to load. Once it appears on the canvas, check that the subject is clearly visible and not cropped in an unintended way. Higher resolution images with good contrast between the subject and the background usually produce the best results. Now look for the background option in the editor. Click Background to open the background tools. As soon as you do, the AI starts analyzing your image to find the subject and separate it from the background. This usually takes just a moment. You might see a temporary overlay or a progress indicator. Just wait for it to finish. When the detection is done, select Remove Background. The editor will cut out the subject and clear the backdrop. To confirm the background is truly gone, look for a gray and white checkerboard behind your subject. That pattern indicates transparency. Take a second to scan the edges of your cutout. Clean edges mean a more professional-looking result when you place this image into designs, slides, or thumbnails. With the background removed, it's time to save. On the left side of the editor, click Download to Local. A format prompt will appear. Select PNG to preserve the transparency. If you choose JPG, the transparent areas will be replaced with a solid color, which defeats the purpose of this workflow. PNG keeps the invisible background intact and maintains high visual quality. That's it. You hovered over the image section on the home page, opened Edit Image, uploaded your file, clicked Background, waited for detection, removed the background, and downloaded the result as a PNG. You now have a transparent cutout ready for compositing, logos, social graphics, and more. Save it somewhere easy to find, and you're all set.